The Bantus originated from the Igbos of West Ouari. They conquer and rule the tropical, subtropical, and equatorial world from Ouari, which was then comprised of what we now know as Africa and Europe, Asia Minor, and India. The trail of their culture, language, and civilization are preserved in the peoples and the tongues of the world. The word Bantu and the classification Bantus are the modern European invention to account for the roots of black peoples. Igbo language in all of Ouari and beyond. If one look for the link and compares the exploits of West Africans from the period of the European West African to the present with the behaviors of the West African origin of the Egyptian pyramid builders, the Central American pyramid builders, the pyramid of Halaborike, the megalith of Hala NG, the ancient rock artists of Panya, and the Mediterranean, European, and African countries. He and she is apt to make an unpardonable and grievous error in interpretations and judgment of history. This is because the current native West African Igbo Bantustas are the descendants. The truth has an indefatigable patience and always will defy conspiracies and cover-ups, only to question man's capacity to pursue error. In all cases, such error has a formation background cushion on the conformity to preserve the efforts to deny the true history, the true historic events that actually happened, and thereby replacing true history with false history.
Ouarri now Africa, Ethiopia, now Eritrea, and Ethiopia, Ngozi now Uganda and Kenya, Achihua, now Tanzania. To the students and subscribers, we shall now shift all our attention to the region of East Ouwarri. The Luo people from the region in East Ouwarri, they are all the children of the Igbos, but scattered by the Europeans colonists.
The Igbo word Bia means to the ancient Igbos as come. In Luo language, the word Bi or Bia Bia means come or just come. The word Chineke in Igbo means God, while Luo spelling for the word Chineke it is Penimeke. In the past it was Chineke, not Penimeke. The bastardized Igbo word of Bia are as follow: Bi, Bine, Bika, Biwa, Bihuru, etc. What about similarities of Hamadi and Hamadai? Hanayo in Luo and Hanayo in Igboland, while Hakama for Luo and Hamaka for the Igbos, Okeke for the Igbo, Okeno for Luo. What about Akpanla in Igbo and Apala in Luo? Even there is Apala in Onye Yoruba. Isn't that beautiful? What makes the comparison between the names of the groups from East
Ouwarri and Igbo group from today world Igbo land is even more interesting is that there was in a time in the past when names bore the same culturally, but now urbanized by the colonists with their influences, including words or names like Oboro, Agada, Udo, and most especially Otiya and Otiya. It is a corrupted name. The original Igbo word, it is Ostiya and Oshita, Ostiya, and ancient Igbo buried name from the word Rome, while Rome now replaced the Igbo word of Ostiya. Same with Italy, replaced the Igbo word of Unaitoli. The Leo word Otiya, it is a corrupted word from the original previous Igbo word of Ostiya, not Otiya. These are only a few examples presented for the fact the readers or the student should note that Bantuse is the only supergroup of the family of world languages spoken by all during the one world Africas, which the West in their classification of races delineated as the Bantu language. They avoided the obvious choice, Igbo, the origin of the speakers of the family of the world Bantuse languages. For the same reason, for not wanting the true African history to be known by the world. To the Bantustas, the above revelation roots the entire East Ouwarrians back to their original ancestral homeland in the region of Umukezi or Igoma, now Nigeria.